Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing and setup of this iPhone X. This is the space gray of 64 gigabytes, and let's see what we have inside. Inside we've got the manual designed by Apple in California. Oh, the Apple logo, of course. Stickers. You can put it in your car as usual. Some other manuals, how to use it. Of course, an iPhone, you know how to use a smartphone. Well, if it's your first time, you can definitely read it. And let's see the phone. There's the phone. It's very glossy, protective, space gray. Okay, beautiful. And inside we have the charger. We have the headphones, very nice headphones. And we have the adapter, of course, for the headphones, because as you remember, Apple was disabled the headphone jack. The USB charging cable, fast charging, of course. And let's install, of course, a tempered glass, because it's an expensive phone and we must have a protection. We're going to install an H9 tempered glass. Take that out and let him bound. It will do his thing, and as you see, slowly takes all the screen. Well, that was all. The unboxing and the installation of the tempered glass. This is the iPhone X 64 gigabytes space gray. In the future I will take some pictures and video, and we'll see how it suits in the night and in the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice, and definitely share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.